Welcome, pimps. Welcome all. Welcome to PIMP. P.I.I.M.P. The acronym that stands for Put It in My Pocket. And in this stock game, ladies is pimps too. I am the Charmer, aka the Penny Stock Pimp. And this is my first Holis Dolis small account challenge. Now, with this challenge, I've started the account with $250. And the goal is to build a portfolio and grow it to $2,000 within a 3 month time frame to be ready for the new PDT rule change. With this account, it'll be total transparency. We'll show the management that we do from day to day. Also, on a weekly basis, I will fund the account with fresh new $25. All right, now as I go over the portfolio that we've built so far, just keep in mind that the way that I'm doing this, I'm not going to be day trading it, but I'm really just set this up as a portfolio that is with minimum management on the for most part. So with every stock I pick, there's a purpose for every particular stock. As you can see, the first stock, Lucid Group, the purpose is for the Holis and Dolis small account challenges that I will continue to do throughout the year. And you can see we made an investment of $47. We bought one call with a $9 strike, and we were able to hold that one until July 17th of this year, which this is my favorite stock because it is, I think it's going to be one of the best, more powerful reversal plays that we'll be seeing in the next month. Um, with everything surrounding this whole story about the robo taxi and the huge investment from Uber, 500 million, and also they're going to be buying 35,000 vehicles from Lucid for the purpose of robo taxis. So that alone, coupled with the fact that this stock has been beaten down, this is going to put some money in our pockets, definitely. All right, under that particular um, group, because what I'm going to do is we're going to play it two ways. We're going to end up buying shares once we make money off of our option calls. We'll split the money between adding more into the pot that we could buy more options, and then we'll buy more shares of the company so that we have those shares as well to play with and hold on to. But we're playing Lucid two different ways. So we're playing that with also the granted shares, 2x long Lucid daily ETF. We're going to be using that. As you can see, we accumulated some shares, 14 shares. The next one on the list is MUTEP. We got a 2.5 strike that will expire October 16th. This one is for the purpose of another company that we desire to come forward with, and that's Mrs. Plowwow. All right. Um, Underneath there, you can see we have the actual shares for this. Oh, that's my bad. Hold up. Yeah, you can see we have the actual shares for this. Now we've accumulated 3 shares of this so far. Anytime you see this particular blue under the ticker or under the actual shares column, that just basically means that we're playing with house money. So those are shares that we won. Then we added a couple more just with loose cash that we had. All right. Um, the next ticker, Perry Operating Company. We got a 2.5 strike call, and we have this one doesn't expire until September 18th. Purpose of this one, It's fuck you cash, fuck you money. You gotta have some in place. You know what I'm saying? What good is to have money if you can't say use it to say fuck you to somebody you really don't like? Now, I like this particular company because this gives us a great play on oil and gas, and we were able to accumulate 5 contracts for less than $100, for $95. All right, and then underneath that, once we make profit, we'll add some shares to that. All right, the next one on our list is a children's place, another stock that's been beaten down. We're looking at the $7 strike call for same date. Well, September 18th. All right. Now, I picked this particular stock because I have a son. I'm on child support. So this is how I will pay my child support from this particular thing. All right. Next stock on the list, Webull. Now, everyone knows that the PDT rule will be coming in effect soon. And with that change, this is a benefit to the brokers. So owning Webull, which is a company that I use Webull for charting all of the time. And I think that it's one of the better ones for charting. So it's good to see that Webull, which has been beaten down tremendously, now starting to rebound. We've got this, and we're going to be able to hold this until the 18th of September. And so we're going to see some appreciation on that. All right. Next company is Yex. All right. This one is for petty cash. Sorry. Webull is for a contingency fund. Yex is for our petty cash fund. Gotta have petty cash. You know, there's some influx of cash on you. All right. As you can see, this was a particular one that we're already up one contract. So we have one contract for free, and we're going to be able to hold this one until August 21st. Next one is Beyond Meat. We got the $2 strike expiring August 21st. This one is for penny cents. Another endeavor as well. Now, Beyond Meat, we already know the hype behind that. This one, we're able to accumulate 4 contracts at this time. And I believe we definitely will be adding to this as well. Okay, the next one on our list is Faraday Future Inc., another automobile EV. This one has a purpose for another particular company we desire to start. And as you can see, we have one free contract of this one. And this contract does not expire. This is the 2.5 strike. It doesn't expire until August 21st as well. So hopefully we're going to see some appreciation with that as well. But like I said, it's all profit. The next one on our list, Sleep Number Inc. We got the $5 strike call that we did execute on that. We want a free contract, but as you know, it sold up really, really high. We end up got rid of that, and we profited 55.23 on that one. All right, and we're going to get some shares of that as well. Then the next one and last one on the list so far is going to be Bed Bath & Beyond. We're going to go for the $10 strike, looking at September 18th, and this will serve a purpose of a wardrobe. You know what I'm saying? Because you're thinking, you Holis and Dolis, you got to come up somehow. And this is how we're going to come up. So right now you see assets, it says 243, but we're up already on this account. So from tracks that we made. But that's what we have, and that's what we're doing. And